Well, good morning. I'm taking you guys to Manila with me in this video. Let's go to DashCon. Let's explore a little bit more of Manila and take you guys behind the scenes of nerding out on AI, to be honest. Good morning. We are here basically on August 1 here in Manila. I didn't really get a lot of footage last night. We basically walked around a little bit in BGC, was able to have a nice little dinner, and basically I went home here and kind of played video games for the last 4 hours. So today we have DashCon. Basically I'm going to be hosting one of their own conferences, basically talking about AI. So I'm excited for you guys to see a little bit behind the scenes of that. And yeah, I'm just taking you guys on my day with me today. And then tomorrow, August 2, we're going back to Cebu, August 3. So should be all fun and games. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy. Okay, so we're at the event space here at AWS here in BGC. We have this brilliant view right there. Yeah, pretty nice. So we have our booth here for 2XU. You guys can see our banner, a nice little banner, and a little like table and booth and everything. So yeah, this will basically be where I will be manning the 2XU booth. And let me introduce you guys to some of the amazing volunteers and interns. Say hi to the vlog. Yay! So the amazing Dash content, DashCon banners there. So yeah, isn't that really cool? Isn't it really pretty? It's really nice. So excited to have you guys come along. Miss Flair, can you believe this is the third time that I'm supporting
I know.
DashCon?
You're like
I love it.
consistent supporter of DashCon ever.
Always,
Thank you
always.
for your support.
What are you excited about today?
Well, I'm excited to geek out about AI first and foremost, and sharing it with the other people. So specifically, I hope we have a lot of marketing directors because those are our target persona. But yeah, just to share about our geeking out with AI and that emerging tech. So we're just really excited to share about what we're doing at Dasho Content because we do a lot, you know. We're just geeking out, so we just want to share it to the world.
Amazing. Hi. You have the same red hair today. How are you? Our amazing always host.
No, I'm not hosting today.
What happened? Oh no. How are you today, miss?
I'm good. I'm nervous.
Why?
Doing last minute, editing to the slides. I'm excited.
So excited.
Yeah, I didn't know where the camera was. I was like, where does my hand?
So
Hi.
here we are with our host. Are you excited for today's DashCon?
Yeah, of course. It's gonna be amazing, you know. It's gonna be my first time actually, but you know, I'm gonna get there. I'm gonna get there.
Good. So what's the main top or panel you're looking forward to?
So the main panel would be, of course, all of them. But the first one would be the biggest thing, of course, because since Miss Flair is there, so I really want to get to know the company, what's the future plans for the company. Then after that, I also want to understand if the other panelists would have another say on, of course, trying to team tech itself.
So I bumped into my friend Gladys. I haven't seen her so long. Are you excited about DashCon?
Yes, I look forward for your pitch and
Oh.
learn from you.
Thank you.
CEO and co-founder of 2XU, and she's an OG DashCon supporter since day one. Please welcome Miss Lai Lacaba.
Instead of making myself sound really good, I'm gonna do this. Do a little different. ChatGPT, you are today. Go ahead and introduce me as a millennial.
It's okay.
Please welcome a true millennial powerhouse, Lai Lacaba. As the co-founder of 2XU and a certified AI consultant, she's transforming the landscape of remote work and AI integration. With her innovative approach, she's helping entrepreneurs scale their businesses like never before. Let's give a warm welcome to Lai Lacaba.
That is essentially what we're doing in 2XU. So in 2XU, we are actually, originally, we're a remote executive assistant company. So what we do is we hire, manage, and train AI-enabled executive assistants. Now, in the last year, we have added AI assistants to that mix. And that is the newest part of our offer, is we basically will go into different people's businesses, if you guys want us to. Of course, we're not gonna go into if you don't want us to. And be able to go ahead and start creating AI assistants depending on what you need in your business. And the goal is essentially you'll have ChatGPT as an AI assistant in your pocket, that anytime you have a question, you want it to do a certain thing in your business. I have an AI writer for my content. I have an AI writer for my YouTube videos, my TikTok videos. It's basically all from just ChatGPT, me talking to it. I will sometimes be in a cafe just talking to my phone, looking like a creepy person, but I'm actually talking to AI and creating things with it. So as a last thing, this is the only thing, it is internet. Go ahead and do a short pitch of 2XU and why they should work with us.
Welcome to 2XU, where we revolutionize your business with top-notch remote executive assistance and cutting-edge AI integration. Our experts help you streamline operations, boost productivity, and scale your business efficiently. Work with us to transform your vision into reality, leveraging the best of AI and human talent. Choose 2XU for unmatched growth and innovation.
Thank you, ChatGPT, and thank you, everyone.
Okay, so we're back home because one, I forgot the battery and the charger for this camera, which was lovely, and two, I didn't really fully able to like talk to you guys anyway, because our hotel room, basically you guys would have just faced the bed and it would have been this whole thing. But I did want to just, of course, make sure that I wrapped up this video in the best way possible by going through essentially the main 5 reasons of why I love AI and why I'm excited for AI as it comes up. But of course, I want to make sure that you guys finish through the vlog. So right after this, I will go through as well what happened after DashCon and kind of running you guys through what that whole trip in Manila looked like. I'm now obviously back in my usual spot in Cebu, and yeah. And the first reason why I love geeking out about AI is because it is here. And that's something that a lot of people still aren't wrapping their heads around, is like, oh, AI is coming, AI is coming. Oh, it's here. It's like already in our day-to-day, already in our work, in our career space, everywhere else, because AI is something that has kind of exploded into the space, and a lot of people are jumping into it, and a lot of people are also excited about it, as I am. So as AI is here, that means that we are also one of the first people, and this is the second reason, we're also one of the first people to affect it as much as we can. Now, 10 years from now, 20 years from now, with AI, it's going to evolve so much more, but it's going to start here with the people who are using it now. So if you're still on the fence, you're still not sure if you want to use AI or not, that's kind of one of your biggest reasons could be is just the fact that when you are playing around with AI now, the fact that you are testing out AI, you are going to affect it more than the people who are going to be affecting it 10 years from now, 20 years from now, just like how people 10 years ago when they were still working on AI have affected it so far that we can now use it today. So that's a really cool thing of like, if you haven't still explored anything about AI, you can check out my YouTube videos. I have a ton of them of how to use them for your business, how to use it for your career. I also offer workshops, and of course I've spoken on stage about this, but it is something that I'm super excited about just because of that. Now the third thing is, honestly, AI is a little bit of A plus B equals C, which I wasn't really the best at math, but I've always been fascinated by math. I've been fascinated how one factor can add to this factor and can change so much. And it's the same thing when you're learning how to prompt, when you're using AI tools for the first time, is you discover like a lot of the things that you're doing, if you add just one more thing, it actually becomes a little bit better. And it's about those incremental changes and growth that, again, I'm super excited about, just because for me, like, hey, as a business owner, I don't have to be the one doing that. I can create an AI assistant to be able to do that. And that's something that I've been doing for a lot of my consulting clients, is I go ahead and create AI assistants for them to make their lives just a little bit better. That's also the other thing that I'm excited about when it comes to AI. And the fourth thing, and hopefully you guys can see that this is not scripted at all, I'm really just pouring my heart out for you guys of why I'm so excited about this state. But the fourth thing of the thing that I'm excited about AI is people are going to be so innovative, and people are going to be so out of the world finding solutions for the problems that they have every single day and creating tools about it. And I'm excited for that as well, because of course, as humans, we're made to create, we're made to further things along, and AI gives us that space to further things along when it might have felt stagnant, when you might have felt stuck. You can have AI kind of go ahead and make you unstuck and make things a little bit better and faster for you. As a really good example, I've been writing a book for the last almost 3 years now. 3 years this September, which is crazy. And for me, I kind of got stagnant with that book. I got stuck with that book, but with AI, I'm now going ahead and even writing every day to be able to have feedback from AI, like, hey, how is this going? What else can I do to improve this chapter of this book? Even as simple as that, I am able to move forward on things that, again, I've just gotten stuck on. And the fifth reason why I'm so excited about AI is honestly the people. Like the people that I've met so far on this journey of being an AI consultant, of being someone who's an AI educator, of being able to talk to you guys in person. Some of you guys have approached me in different events, have been really, really cool, because that means that for one degree or the other, you guys are thinking the same way that I am, where AI is super cool because of X, Y, and Z, and I want to use AI for all of this, and things that I've never even thought of, that I take out a lot of notes of like, hey, what if we used AI this way, used AI that way, and just a lot of really cool ideas have sprung up from the people that I've met being in the AI space as well. So I hope that makes sense for you guys. Of course, make sure to hit that like button or comment below if you have any questions about AI, and now I'm gonna let you guys continue on through the rest of my vlog. So basically, I'm just gonna voice over the rest of the trip. So essentially, we did DashCon. That was super cool. There was a bunch of really good ideas. Again, a lot of the people in this space who were giving us ideas of like, hey, you can use AI for this, you can use AI for that. And then we ended up also in the evening, we went to a little soiree, basically an after party, where I met a lot of other cool people as well during that after party. And then the next day, that was August 2, I was honestly just working the whole day. I had meetings all the way from 9 o'clock all the way to 10. In between, I was able to check out different cafes around BGC in Manila. Because of course we work remotely, I was able to just plug into my phone. I'm able to have Wi-Fi and data everywhere else that I went to. And then honestly, a little bit of exciting part of my evening was I had a sales call at 9 o'clock, and at 8 o'clock, I was already starting to book Grab or taxi to be able to go back to my hotel so I could do it in the peace and quiet. And I also knew that my laptop might die. So we tried to grab a taxi for about, like I said, 40 minutes to an hour. We were trying to figure out, my fiance and I, and he sweetly found me a spot
quite enough that I could go ahead and just work and do a call with. I actually closed that client while I was holding my phone because my battery finally ran out, and they said like, okay, what's the next steps? What's the next thing that we do? I'm like, yes. So that was a cool thing that happened on Friday, and then the next day on Saturday, I actually went ahead and went brunch with a couple of my friends that I don't really usually see just because we all travel a lot. So that was really cool to just have an experience. And then I went to the Fully Booked store, which is the biggest fully booked store that I love going as a bookworm. And essentially after that, we started going to the airport, waited in this beautiful lounge for our flight, and then basically just got home. So that's basically how the rest of that Manila trip went. I do apologize for not being able to record more content for you guys. I really wanted to. At the same time, one, vlogging is still relatively new to me. Like, I know I've done a couple of these vlogs with you guys, but I still sometimes will forget to record just because I'm so much in the moment. And two, I did forget my battery camera, so I wasn't able to record for a lot of it. But if you guys do want more vlog content, let me know if you guys have any ideas below. And of course, if you still haven't yet, make sure to hit the subscribe button right there so you don't miss any of my videos every Sunday and Thursday on how to work from home and how to have a business from home, which you guys can check out those two playlists right here and the latest video right here. Hope you guys have an amazing day, and remember that small steps matters, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!